All right, thank you for joining me today. So, into many of the amazing features and business scaling functionalities that BraveLender Software offers for lenders, microfinance, and loan giving businesses. Today, we'll be looking at how you can add penalties to a loan. This is quite a vital feature for businesses where you have an agreement with a client and then they don't maybe abide by it, or for many other reasons, and you want to scale up the loan by adding a penalty. Today we'll be exploring how you can do this in two easy steps. Previously, we were looking at how you can do that, of course, by using loan rollovers or renewing loans. But today, specifically, we'll be looking at how you can add loan penalties to a client and how you can penalize rather their loans so that the loan can go up by value. You can compound it either by a percentage or a fixed amount. So let's dive right into it. And to get started, what I'll do, I'll open the branch. I just logged in and I'll just open the branch right now. And BraveLender will basically just prepare our workstation and you land on the home page, of course. And let's say, okay, this is successful. Now, what you need to do is to go to loans. Of course, this can be applied to active loans or default loans, meaning loans that are currently active or those that have passed their maturity dates, of course, and are in default state. You can open this loan by clicking the loan number or by going to actions and then loan details. So we'll be using this loan case in our situation for this demo. So let's say what we're trying to do right now. Of course, this is the feature for loan rollover, but specifically we'll be looking at the loan penalties and how do you add a penalty to a loan. Okay, so you first go by clicking on the penalties, and there is this warning, of course. And it only has, of course, three simple fields: the quantity, this is the value, the actual value. Okay, so you can indicate, let's say 3 in this case, or 2, and then the quantity unity, this is the unit of measure of this quantity, of this value. So it can be either in percentage or a fixed amount in this case. So let's say we want to compound this loan by 2%. Okay, we want to add the 2% of the current initial loan balance. So we can go ahead and just choose the percentage unit there. And then the reason in this case, let's say maybe client missed repayment. So on default loan, this is here as this reason here is provided for you to communicate for someone who might be looking into this loan activity logs in the near future. So you want to give a reason and a comment as to why you are adding this loan penalty. So you can manually now go and click apply penalty, and the system will instantly apply and the balance will increase. So as you can see here in the loan activity logs, there were 3 actually recent penalties. The last one, there was this much added, and it left our balance to this. Now there was this added, and it left our balance to this. The reason, of course, is stated here, so that it's easier for your team to understand what happened, why this loan was applied. Of course, so this is one of the ways on how you can do it. Simply go to add penalties, 2, 3 simple fields, and then click apply, and the system will do that. Next time we'll look at how you can configure these settings so that the system itself can automatically be applying loans even without you manually doing that. But this demo and this demonstration was specifically for this feature where need arises, you want to manually add a penalty fee. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to having you watching the next video so that you can learn on how you can do that. Alternatively, you can visit our website, BraveLender Software. You can Google that or just visit bravelender.com and then get in touch with us and see how we can automate your microfinance and neo banking processes. Thank you.